हेलो दोस्तों हेलो दोस्तों, मैं प्रोफेसर इकुड़िंदर सिन्हा आज आपको मेक इन इंडिया के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ। क्योंकि मैं स्वदेशी सनातन संघ का राजस्थान प्रदेश संयोजक भी हूँ और जो 1905 की जो स्वदेशी मूवमेंट हुई थी और फिर 1914 में 2014 में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मेक इन इंडिया का जो नारा दिया था उसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं। तो हमने पिछले एपिसोड में पिछले लेक्चर में मैंने इस बात की चर्चा की थी कि स्वदेशी क्या है, स्वदेशी मूवमेंट क्या है और स्वदेशी मूवमेंट का दूसरा फॉर्मेट जो 2014 में आया है वो मेक इन इंडिया है। तो मेक इन इंडिया was launched by the government of India on 25th September 2014 to encourage company to manufacturing their product in India and incentivize with the dedicated investment into manufacturing. The policy approach was to create a conducive environment for investment, develop modern and efficient infrastructure, and open up new sector for foreign capital. The initiative target 25 economic sectors for the job creation and skill enhancement, and the aim to transform India into global design and manufacturing hub. Global design and manufacturing hub. Make in India and three stated objectives. Number one, to increase the manufacturing sector growth rate to 12 to 14% per annum. Number two, to create 100 million additional manufacturing jobs in the economy by the 2022. And number three, to ensure that the manufacturing sector contribution to GDP is increased to 25% by 2022. These objectives were identical to the United Progress Alliance's UPO 2011 National Manufacturing Policy. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh described Make in India as a carbon copy of UPA manufacturing policy. After the launch, India gave the investment commitment worth 16.14 lakhs crore, that is approximately 230 billion USD, and investment required worth 1.5 lakh crore, that is 21 billion USD, between September 2014 to February 2016. As a result, India emerged as the top destination globally in 2015 for the foreign direct investment, surpassing the United States and China with US dollar 60.1 billion FDI. As per the current policy, 100% foreign direct investment is permitted in all 100 sectors, except for the space industry 74%, defense industry 49%, and media of India 26%. Japan and India had also announced 12 billion USD Japan India Make in India Special Finance Facility Fund to push investment. In line with the Make in India, individual states to launch their own local initiatives such as Make in Odisha, Make in Tamil Nadu Global Investor Meet, Global Gujarat, Vibrant Gujarat, Happening Haryana, Magnetic Maharashtra. India received 60 billion FDI in 2016 and 17. The World Bank 2019 Doing Business report acknowledged that India jumped of 23rd position against the rank of 100 in 2017 to be placed now 63rd rank among 119 countries of the world. By the end of 2017, India had risen 42 place of easy of business doing index, 32 place World Economic Forum Global Competitive Index, and 19 notch in the Logistic Performance Index, thanks to recent government initiatives, which include convergence, synergy, and enable other important government of India schemes such as Bharat Mala, Sangh Mala, dedicated freight corridor, industrial corridor, Udan, RCS, Bharat Broadband Network, or Digital India. Make in India has not yet achieved its goal. The growth rate of manufacturing average 6.9% per annum between 2014 and 15 and 29 and 20. The share of manufacturing dropped 16.3% of GDP in 2014 and 51.19. So, easy of doing quantity India jumped to 63% of the 190 country. Ongoing global campaign, revision of procurement order, GPR, sector covered, automobile component, aviation, biotechnology, chemical, construction, defense manufacturing, defense export, electric systems, electrical machinery, food processing, export, information technology and business process management, leather, media and entertainment, mining, oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, port and shipping, railways, rapid transit, renewable energy, road and highway, space and astronomy, thermal power, textile and garment, tourism, wellness and health sector. So this मेक इन इंडिया पॉलिसी कितना इफेक्टिव होगा, कितना इफेक्टिव हो सकता है, इसके बारे में हमें सोचना पड़ेगा। और अगर हम स्वदेशी अपनाने की बात कर रहे हैं तो हमें केवल स्वदेशी में बनाना नहीं, हमारे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर को, हमारे गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी को भी हमारे देश में ही निर्मित, भारत में ही निर्मित वस्तुओं का प्रयोग और परिचालन करना पड़ेगा। तभी भारत समृद्ध भारत, सशक्त भारत और संस्कारित भारत बन सकता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय मानव।